Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is up 8.9% over the last 1 week. It's up 13% over the last 1 month. PancakeSwap currently trades around $1.51 with a market cap of $497 million. We look at PancakeSwap performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. Is this a good time to be buying some PancakeSwap? How high can we pump in the coming days and coming weeks? Bear market relief rallies around the corner. Can we rally to as high as all-time highs? While market participants still very fearful because right now extreme fear is still gripping the cryptocurrency market. How will that affect the price of PancakeSwap? We'll also look at PancakeSwap performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And finally, we'll look at PancakeSwap's market cap. Can we rally back towards the $7 billion level? Maybe we get to as high as $10 billion. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. You want to become a member, you want to become a legend, link in the description. Let's get down to business. PancakeSwap's all-time highs came in on the 30th of April 2021. PancakeSwap traded for as high as $44. Right now it's down 96% from that all-time highs. With a fully diluted market cap of $606 million, total value locked sitting at around $2.06 billion. PancakeSwap is near its previous bear market lows. In 2022, we saw PancakeSwap dumping to Goblin Town, getting to as low as $1. But we had to go back in time. PancakeSwap had a big run to all-time highs, rallying from as low as $0.2 where it was trading way back in 2020, pumping to as high as $44 by the end of the bull market in April of 2021. PancakeSwap was already up by more than 20,000%. For context sake, $1,000 invested in PancakeSwap at the bottom right here would have returned more than $200,000 at the top. Huge gains, if you ask me. We're one of the most volatile markets in the world. We pump to the upside aggressively, but then again, we could easily dump to the downside aggressively. And if you want to get those big gains to the upside, you have to be able to stomach those big losses to the downside. Now, if you got those big gains to the upside and you sold here for some sweet profit, you escape PancakeSwap dumping aggressively to Goblin Town, which is what usually happens in a crypto bear market. When bear market comes, we see altcoins dumping aggressively. In PancakeSwap's turn, we saw it losing 97% of its value in the process. An argument can be made that PancakeSwap has been undergoing accumulation since then. An argument can be made that the big players have been accumulating PancakeSwap a lot. Well, have been stuck around the $1 towards the $4.8 region. PancakeSwap has not been able to rally above this key price level over the last 3 years. With extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market, market participants are expecting lower prices. With extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market, it's no shock to see retail investors saying that they're expecting one more push to the downside. But historically, retail investors are always wrong at the extreme. I don't think this time is different. We're expecting PancakeSwap to have a big pump to the upside. For us to blast up out of this range, we're going to see PancakeSwap pump by more than 215%. Know how volatile the market can be? A 215% pump can come at any point in time. And I strongly believe the next phase of the market cycle, we see a lot of altcoins pumping aggressively to higher prices, PancakeSwap included. And if we can rally above that $4.87 level, one important region to watch out for PancakeSwap on our journey to new all-time highs is going to be the $24 level. But before we get to $24, there's one important level to watch out for where I'm sure some big players will be selling some of their stocks. Big players always buy at the bottom and they always find a way to sell at the top. The $10 level is going to be very interesting to watch out for. From where PancakeSwap is currently trading right now, we need to see around the 600% pump to the upside to get towards $10. For us to get to new all-time highs, that will be a different ballgame. From where PancakeSwap is currently trading right now, we need to see more than a 2,700% pump to the upside if PancakeSwap is to get to its former all-time highs. And you never want to say never in the altcoin market. Crazy things happen when altcoins start pumping. Altcoins could move 10%, 20%, 50%. in a day, in 1 week, they might be up 100, 200%, 300%. By the end of the month, you would have seen them having crazy, crazy moves to the upside. The last bull market for PancakeSwap that came in 2021 saw it pumping by 8,900% in just 105 days. And the whole rally, the whole bull market for PancakeSwap was less than 6 months. It lasted 175 days. PancakeSwap was already up by more than 195x. Crazy if you ask me, but that's what you get in the altcoin market when the market is bullish. Now I'll be expecting PancakeSwap to outperform Bitcoin. You may be wondering why. Over the next few weeks, we're expecting to see market participants start flipping their Bitcoin position back into the altcoin market, and that should help PancakeSwap. Look how PancakeSwap did when the market was bullish. The last time we saw a real bull market for all coins, cryptocurrency market, we saw PancakeSwap pumping to new all-time highs in that 175 days, outperform Bitcoin by more than 5,400%. But then again, volatility in the cryptocurrency market works both ends. When the market gets bearish, a lot of market participants shun all coins, and that's why we've been seeing PancakeSwap since 2021 bleed heavily against Bitcoin. There was not a straight line down. There were some bumps along the way. There were some relief rallies along the way. But eventually, PancakeSwap now is down 97% against Bitcoin. How is PancakeSwap performing against Ethereum? Similar price action. It had its own time in the sun in 2021. That big rally to the upside where it got stopped out in April of 2021. Since then, PancakeSwap has had a big decline to gobbling town against Ethereum, also losing 95% of its value. But you look at technical indicators showing us that smart market participants have been flipping their Bitcoin back into PancakeSwap. They have been flipping their Ethereum back into PancakeSwap. We've seen PancakeSwap stock in this on $1 level to the $4.8 level since May of 2022. So if we have a big pump to the upside, remember, some smart players have been accumulating. The market to give them good exit points. The market is a device of transferring wealth from the impatient people to the patient people. If you buy low, the market will give you an opportunity to sell high. If you buy when there's extreme fear in the market, when pessimism is at an all-time high, at some point in time in the future, you will have an off. The market will give you an opportunity to sell your bags for some sweet profit. Now let's look at markets. Let's look at PancakeSwap's market cap, which found the bear market bottom around the $250 million level, and the upper range for PancakeSwap's market cap has been around our $1.4 billion level. Since PancakeSwap entered this range in May of 2022, bounced to the upside, bounced to the downside. We easily bounced the $1.4 billion level just in October of 2025, with PancakeSwap getting rejected at that key price level. Another important place to watch out for, guys, is going to be around the $2.93 billion region. We saw PancakeSwap getting rejected here in April of 2022, from where we're currently trading right now for PancakeSwap's market cap to get towards that $2.93 billion level. We need to pump by 500% to the upside, and that important level to watch out for is when PancakeSwap's market cap hits the $5 billion region. From where we are trading right now, that will require us pumping by more than 900%. And for us to get to new all-time highs, for PancakeSwap's market cap to rally past $7 billion, we need to see more than a 1,300% pump to the upside. Extreme fear has been a good time to buy. I don't think this time is different. I believe a real rally. At worst, it's around the corner. At best, we'll get an altcoin season in 2026. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still buying some PancakeSwap right now? Are you adding to your portfolios? Do you still believe in the altcoin market? Are altcoins going to have their own time in the sun? If you're buying PancakeSwap, how high do you see it going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.